Welcome to Video Journal 6. The main mathematical idea that we went over for this week was talking about percents and using word problems to figure out a percentage. And we are creating visual models for percents using double number lines and area models. In my understanding, percents are used in a variety of ways in your daily life, and percentages are used to help compare different values, quantify changes. Percents help explain an increase or decrease in a number for changing over time. Percents are parts per hundred, which can be displayed as a percent. The 7th grade worksheet that was passed out, Who is the Best, about some basketball team scored, free throw, whatever that worksheet, a bit of a struggle knowing exactly how to figure that out. I'm still stuck on that, but the other percentages in the word problems on the models for percent worksheet is a bit more clear. Here's the problem that we will be going over today to visually represent percentages, and it is a school had 1,200 students last year and only 1,080 students this year. What was the percentage decrease in the number of students? So what we need to do is to draw this double number line to represent the amount of students comparing to the percentage. So we know that 1,200 equals about 100% of the students that were at school last year. So if we went down from 1,200 to see how much 10% of that would be 120. So our total 1,200 equals 100%, which is one whole, and then 10% of that is 120. So we know those two. But this year we only have 1,080. So let's subtract 120 from 1,200 and see where that brings us, just to see how low we've gotten out of just 10% of the 100%. So this gives us 1,080, which is the amount of students that we have this year. So if that gives us our 1,080 and it's 10% of the 1,200, then it looks like 10% decrease in the number of students is our answer. So over here on the number line, we have 1,200 at 100%. So if since it's 10%, which is 120, out of 1,200 is 1,080, then 10% less than that would be 90. And we could put that right here, 1,080. 120 times 9 also gives you 1,080, which is the individual notches, jumps from each 10% upward. So we have a 10% decrease.